Okay, it's the new year. It's 2026, January 3rd. Let me give you an example of what most people miss. So looking at these AC units, you'd say, oh, they look fine. They've got the hail guards on them. This is a ream. This one is also a ream. Let's go back to this one. We see some hail dents here. Well, look inside. It's hard for this camera to get as good of a picture that I'd like to get for you, but this is an example of what I run into all of the time, especially after a big storm like the one they had last March here in Wylie. Same thing on this one. And if you were a customer of ours, wouldn't you want to have the insurance company cover these AC units? Because at some point, especially on the older ones, they're going to be up to you to replace. And sometimes these motors are working a lot harder than they should be because of the dents in these coils. And you can't tell me that that's not storm related. Look at those hail hits. I'm keeping this video short, but this is an example of what we do every day and have been doing for the last going on 11 years.